Welcome to a comprehensive comparison of our three flagship products from the Seed family. Let's start by opening the Max kit. Inside, you will find a binder with all small elements perfectly segregated, a printed tiles layout on the bottom, and the instruction manual on top. The Max version uniquely includes numbers and special characters. Next, opening the standard Seed24, you will find elements packed into smaller, ergonomic boxes. Finally, we open the Seed12 Security Kit. Let's compare the components. Here are the Cryptosteel capsules. The Seed24 capsule is designed for a 24-word mnemonic phrase, while the Seed12 capsule is exactly half the size, designed for 12 words or 64 characters. Next is the core, the heart of the entire system. Here is the 24-word core, and here's the 12-word core, each perfectly adjusted to the length of your backup. Remember, with our system, every mnemonic word is safely abbreviated to its first 4 letters. To build your phrase, every kit includes a precisely calculated amount of letter tiles. In the Max kit, they are in the binder. In the Seed24 and Seed12 kits, they are conveniently packed in a bag. Here we have the separators, used to divide your words, and the highly important Z-shaped cotter pin, which closes your sentence. In the smaller kits, these are found together in the main box. At the bottom of every set, you will also find the instruction manual with links to our video guides. Finally, we provide 3 tamper-evident security seals with every kit, ensuring you will always know if an unauthorized person has attempted to open your capsule. The choice is simple. If you need to secure 24 words, choose a Seed24 kit. If you have a 12-word phrase, the Seed12 is for you. With Cryptosteel, your passwords are safe for a lifetime.